Hi gang, welcome back to Arm Candy, hope you're okay. Today's bag that's just got onto our website is this gorgeous Michael Kors Jet Set Crossbody in this fantastic colour. Isn't that beautiful? On the website we've called the colour burgundy. It's a kind of maroon, claret, wine, one of those rich deep reds, and it's in Saffiano leather, so it's got that sort of crosshatch effect. And the Saffiano leather makes it a really sturdy, really strong leather. And then the hardware is gold, which I think the contrast of the gold with the burgundy is just stunning. Really, really beautiful. So crossbody, hence the long strap, which is adjustable. And it's leather, and then obviously chain on the end as well. I'll quickly pop it on so you can get an idea of the size. The exact measurements are on the website. So this might give you an idea. So I am about a UK size 10 and 5'4", so that gives you an idea of the size of the bag. And the strap, I've got this exactly in the middle. So you could have this longer or shorter, depending on where you want your bag to be or how tall you are. Okay, it comes with two documents. It's got the care card with it, and also another document to explain that the bag is slightly padded on the inside. So let's show you the Michael Kors on the front. It's a zip top closure, so we'll just show you the zip pull. Which way do you want it? I think you want it that way. Okay, and then inside it's got a pale lining, which means you can easily see what's inside, and it's Michael Kors lined. One zipped pocket just here. Okay, with Michael Kors badge, and then on the other side you've got one flat pocket. Okay, so the condition of this bag, the exterior is in excellent condition. The interior is in excellent condition. And the hardware we've called very, very good. Only because you can see that the bag has perhaps been used a couple of times when you look at the zip pull. All of this chain on the strap is excellent, and this zip is excellent. This is excellent, and to be honest, this would probably pass for excellent, but I can tell that somebody has used this, so I'm calling it very, very good. There's nothing for me to point out. There's no kind of scratches or anything. I can just see that it's been used. Okay, so there is a link to this gorgeous bag. I really do like it. I tell you what I like about it actually is I like the size of the bag. And Michael Kors call this a jet set crossbody, and it does feel like the kind of bag that, you know, if you were if you imagine going to the airport and you've got your luggage and you check that in, and then you just want somewhere to put a few little bits in, this is perfect for that. Or if you're just going on a city break and you want a little bag where you can put, you know, bits and bobs and it'll last you all day, but you don't want a huge massive bag to carry around the city, this is perfect. It's a small bag, but deceptively you can fit quite a lot of stuff in it, so you could fit in here quite easily, you know, your purse, a little makeup bag, you know, whatever other little bits and bobs you wanted to take with you. It's just a really, really cool size, and that colour combo, it's just beautiful. So there's a link to this on the website. If you